If you're a landlord in Texas, habitability law works a little differently here than in most other states, and you need to understand the nuances to protect yourself. Texas landlord-tenant law is governed primarily by the Texas Property Code, Chapter 92. Unlike many states that follow the Uniform Residential Landlord and Tenant Act, Texas has its own framework, and it comes with some unique rules. Under Texas law, landlords have a duty to make a diligent effort to repair conditions that materially affect the physical health or safety of an ordinary tenant. That covers things like plumbing leaks, no hot water, faulty wiring, sewage backups, roof leaks, and broken locks or security devices. But here's the key distinction in Texas. The repair duty doesn't kick in automatically. The tenant must give you written notice of the problem, and you have to have a reasonable time to make the repair. Courts generally consider 7 days reasonable for most issues, but that can vary depending on the severity. Texas also has a specific provision about security devices. You're required to provide working door locks, window latches, peepholes, and in some cases, sliding door security bars. Failing to install or repair these can result in the tenant recovering a full month's rent plus $100, plus actual damages and attorney's fees. Now, if you don't make the repair after proper notice, Texas tenants have a powerful remedy. They can use what's called the repair and deduct option under Section 92.0561. They can also file a lawsuit, terminate the lease in certain circumstances, or contact local code enforcement. One more thing. Texas does not allow general rent withholding. The repair and deduct remedy has very specific steps the tenant must follow, which actually gives landlords some protection against misuse. For a complete guide to Texas habitability laws, visit tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com. Subscribe to our channel for more state-specific landlord guides.